How to set a sleep timer on iPhone. This video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can set a sleep timer on an iPhone. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open an application called Health on your iPhone. So as you can see, guys, here it is. But if you can't find it, just go ahead and search for it. So go ahead and type Health. Go ahead and type Health to find it here. So go ahead and open the app. When you open the app, guys, you're going to be seeing this. If you've not set it up yet, it's going to just appear on your screen. But as for me, I've set it up before. So just go to the browser section. When you click on the browser section, I want you to look for, use the search icon, or you can just go ahead and scroll and look for where it says sleep. So go ahead and open sleep. When you open sleep, as you can see, guys, I've already set up my sleep schedules, but you can go ahead and edit it. So when you click on edit, you're going to be setting your sleep timing here. So guys, as you can see, by default you should be sleeping for 8 hours. So it's going to automatically set itself to 8 hours. You can go ahead and change everything. Go ahead and change the alarm. You can go ahead and change the sounds. So you can go ahead and play around with these, guys, if you want to. So just go ahead and click done. When you're done, just go ahead and click done. You can go ahead and change your schedules, guys. You can go ahead and change this, change everything you want, change the timing and everything. So when you're done, just go to the summary section. When you click on the summary section, just click on this edit. So when you click on edit, I want to just look for where it says sleep. So go ahead and start it. Click on done. So guys, when it's time to sleep, your phone will automatically enter the sleep mode here, guys. As you can see, it's going to automatically enter the sleep mode, but it's going to notify you before it enters the sleep mode. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.